we do twice a year a big gift initiative. And I talk about this in the book, but we don't send gifts at Christmas because everyone sends gifts at Christmas. We send it typically April and September, October. Straight away, it puts us ahead of the crowd. And we agonize over these gifts. So, what's useful to people? How's the box? How's the tissue paper? Everything, again, that's a touch point with our firm. And I've heard people say, I look forward to your gifts because it's something different. The worst gift, I'm a big fan of John Ruhlin's book. It's called Giftology. The worst gift, yet so many law firms do it, a bottle of wine. And he said, the reason is if I give you a bottle of red, you might prefer white wine, or you might prefer gin or whiskey, or you might not drink. The chances of you drinking that bottle of wine and then thinking, gee, that was the best wine I've ever had, I'll remember it forever, are infinitesimal. And so, again, don't just do the rat race. Another pet peeve of mine is the e-holiday card. And you've got big law firms. You've literally got multi-billion-dollar organizations sending out an email holiday card, just wishing you the best for the year ahead. Is that the best you can do? A multi-billion-dollar organization, an e-card? I don't know about you. The last thing I want in life is another email. And yet they think they've nailed it. The holiday card, check, we've done it. So again, I think it's not following the status quo, not doing it just because everyone else is doing it, and really thinking outside the box.
My wife used to work for a promotional products company. And so I've been in charge of like sending out client gifts. And you're right. How do you choose? It's like, who wants pens, a t-shirt, a hat? Like, what do you send somebody? What's useful? But she made a living off of custom award. People get great. I'll tell you a funny one that sticks out in my head. There was a woman who ran her own company. I don't even remember what she did, but she had like 100 clients, and she sent them all like a crystal award with her face on it. And I remember I was like, can you make sure that they print an extra one so I can have one? And she's like, no, I'm not spending $50 on this thing so you can have one in our house. I don't want to look at this lady's face. But it's about your being genuine, thinking about what your customers actually want. They don't want an award of your face, right?
Exactly. So the gift we just sent out, it was an air tag and a customized luggage tag personalized with everyone's initials. So literally we send out hundreds of customized luggage tags. And the point was, look, with summer travel on the horizon, we hope you find this useful. And just the feedback, my God, that was so thoughtful. Thank you so much. John Ruhlin, we did this a couple of years ago. He said the best gift you can give, so the worst gift is wine. The best gift is a kitchen knife. And the point is, it is something you will use every day of your life. You'll think of the giver every time you use it. And it's the kitchen involves people's family members as well. So if you can bring in people's family members. And so we did it one year. And again, the feedback was tremendous.
Giftology, John Ruhland. I got to read that.